Alrighty then. So it is time for us to leave Ishasha Hotel, the Ishasha Park, and head towards Windy. This has been an amazing stay. The breakfast we had this morning was incredible. We had local Ugandan pancakes, which is sweet banana mixed with cassava flour and turned into, just cooked into a pancake. Toast, fresh fruit juice, bacon, baked beans. The guys had eggs. It was stunning, and we're here in the middle of the forest. There's baboons running around. They had elephants here the other day. A really amazing little hotel, all powered by solar power, and I believe rainwater as well then for all of the showers and the taps, which is amazing. So self-sustaining little cottage. Can't speak highly enough. Now on to Windy, why we are here. Ciao. My name's James.
Excited, my bud.
Yeah, me too, son.
Oh. Off to the Windy. Incredible place we've stayed here. All solar power, if we haven't mentioned it before.
All powered by solar power. We've mentioned it, but we'll mention it again and again, lad.
Again and again, solar power. Environmentally friendly people. Hey!
Yeah, I think that's everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Bye-bye. See you. Bye. So as you can see, the weather has changed quite dramatically from when we arrived. We're in the middle of a huge thunderstorm right now, and this is the exact same weather that we could possibly have tomorrow when we're trekking for these gorillas. The gorillas live in the mountains back there, and you can trek anywhere from 2 to 7 hours just to spend 1 hour with the gorilla families. So to be in something like this would be quite intense, but it'd be an incredible experience. Hopefully it does dry up a bit tomorrow. There's thunder and lightning every 30 seconds to a minute, which is quite cool, but a little bit scary. But absolutely loving our time here in the windy, impenetrable forest. Exciting things to come for sure. It's a magical place. It is 6:30 a.m. here in Bwindi National Park. Behind me, the impenetrable forest holds the silverback gorillas, and that is exactly why we came here for this trip, to do this. It's an absolutely beautiful morning, but things can change really quick. So we're prepared for the worst, and we are super excited to get going. Can't wait. Woo! Hey boss, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Morning, good to see you.
God is my name.
Hey, how are you?
Gadi, nice
Gadi,
to meet you.
nice to meet you, Gadi. Gadi.
Gadi in Ireland.
You dancing? You coming dancing, Gadi?
Yeah, let's go and dance. We go and dance.
Yeah? Wow. How goes it?
Just stopping for a little bit of a water break. It's been pretty hard going through the jungle, steep. Not so hot, a little bit cool, much nicer now we're in the jungle. And we're approaching, so we'll be there soon.
Yes, boss.
Yes, how are you?
Good.
They're not sure whether it's a male or a female. Okay. And to the mother cannot tell us whether her baby is a male or a female. So we just wait, we keep on monitoring the baby. Then later on, as the baby starts praying, then we can check the private parts and tell whether it's a male or a female. Yeah. Yeah, but right now it's not easy to tell. All right. Even it's by luck to see the baby, because the mother is always scared that the tourists or us may take away her baby. It takes care of him. Yeah, so that's why sometimes it's by luck to see that baby, because the baby is still young. Maybe we see today. I think so. Maybe. Because I think some of you have already seen it at the belly of the mother. Being carried. So the sound is making is trying to find out from his members whether all is well. All is okay. Yeah. Maybe she's now going to check on the father of the baby, the silverback.
So how many are in this family?
8 members. All the members in the group have to listen to his orders. They want to decide where they are going. That's why when you see him moving, all of them start following him slowly. But as he's moving, he leaves the communication behind that we are going to this direction.
Look this way, buddy. Yeah, come on.
And this is the biggest silverback in all the silverbacks which we follow every day.
Wow.
In the whole of Uganda.
Wow, biggest silverback in Windy. And he's just chowing.
Look after all the group to get females, and in case there are more than one silverbacks in the group, then they cannot.
Oh, that was amazing. So we got within 6 feet of a silverback gorilla, just eating. Didn't care about us at all. That was mind-blowing. Oh my god, what a trip.